We are checking out from Taj Exotica. Now we are heading to North Goa. We will be staying there at Taj Agoda. Started raining and it's heavily raining outside. Betiam Bhera Saligo Road. You can see the view from here. Towards Fort Agoda Road, just 2 kilometers left. We are just checking in Taj Agoda. Lot of cars are parked, which seems there would be lot of tourists present over here. Got our welcome drink, just trying it. Superb taste, a sweet and tangy taste, mixture of it. We are waiting at the lobby, still the checking process is going on. In the meanwhile, I am showing the view. This is the view from the lobby. The swimming pool is also here. Swimming pool is just between the sea and the lobby. Weather is little cloudy. You can see the boats. These are of local fishermen's boats. We are just entering our room. 136 is our room number. Here it goes. This is the room. This is the washroom. Opening the balcony. It is like a beachside room. Garden is in front, and beyond the garden you can see the sea also. There is a restaurant available over here which will only serve the Goan food and the seafoods. This is the complete view. These are the view of the rooms from outside. We are heading towards the swimming pool. On the way, there is a chase court. It is just in front of the restaurant. Only seafood is getting served in this restaurant. There is an assembly point where some evening activities normally happens. This is a nice pool. And you can see the sea also. This is the way to see. जा सकते हैं 136 136. Here security guard is asking for the room number before allowing to entering the sea area. The beach is just here. We are heading towards this Aquarium Fort. Tourists are available over here. Though the weather is cloudy, but the view is like awesome. Aquarium Fort is just situated at beside the sea only. Just going down. There are stairs also to go up again. We are at the top of this Aquarium Fort. This is the view from the top of this Aquarium Fort. You can see Taj Agoda. We have stopped in the roadside for having bhutta, and this is the perfect weather. Just got the bhutta now, and now we'll have it. The weather is perfect for this. We have reached Agoda Jail. You can see the view. Though the jail is closed and still the work is going on. The construction work is happening. Laborers are working still. But this is a nice place. Scenic beauty are beautiful. This is a place where a lot of video can be done. Perfect place for doing photography also. And crowd is also very less over here. Some people are doing fishing. We are still near Agoda Jail. We have spotted one fisherman who has gone down and doing his fishing activities. He is a local from here. We have come to Zante's Cashew shop for shopping. This is one of the famous local shop. You can see the stock over here. They are having different types of cashews. These are the chart reds. भैया इसमें और इसमें क्या डिफरेंस है? बाकी टेस्ट सब सेम है? ये साइज में क्यों डिफरेंस होता है? सॉरी? ग्रेडिंग करते हैं कंपनी. These are the prices with different grades. Lot of varieties are there. Apart from normal cashew, they are having some masala cashews also. They are having this pepper cashew, this cheese one, then chaat masala one. Lot of masala cashew nuts are available over here. You can see. ये क्या क्या variety है भैया एक बार बता दीजिए.
पेपर है, चीज है, चिली गार्लिक, चाट मसाला, स्पाइसी, ऑनियन पेपर, एक चॉकलेट है, एक कैचू लड्डू है और ये प्लेन में. मतलब स्कीम के साथ आता है. स्कीम वाला स्कीम है ब्राउन रोस्ट.
ये इधर का स्पेशल है क्या? दिस इज द स्पेशल वन फ्रॉम हियर.
ब्राउन रोस्ट.
You would get a very good variety over here. Whenever you are coming to Goa, you can visit this shop. This much is for today. For further update, please stay connected with us. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.